Hey there, kindergartners. It's Miss Klein here. I have your Sonday Lesson 145. We are going to start by reading some words that we learned last time, the ag words. And then we're going to review some other words that we've been working really hard on. And because you've been working so hard, it's mastery check time. So we are going to do another little mastery check at the very end of this. So let's get started with reading some words. All right, take a look at my screen here. We have ag, rag, ag, lag, ag, sag, ag, gag. Now let's read them a little faster. Tag, nag, bag, wag. Now, these are what we call short phrases. That means we put two words together and it makes a little phrase, which is not quite a full sentence. This says tan rag. So it put two words together. Can you picture what a tan colored rag would look like? Tan rag. Mad cat. Can you picture what a mad cat would look like? Read the next one with me. Sad man. Oh, a sad man. Fat rat. Whoa, I wouldn't want to see a fat rat, would you? Now we're going to read some more review words. Oh, I highlighted them. Had, lad. Add, pad. Ram, tap. Zap, lap. Map, ham. Bad, am. Now we are going to get to our mastery check here. So just like last time, I want you to find a piece of paper. I want you to write your name at the top because it's important to know whose paper it is. And then I want you to write your numbers. Ooh, can you see it? 1 all the way down to 10. I'll give you a kind of closer look. 1 all the way down to 10. Now remember, Miss Klein is not going to show you my work. This is a mastery check. I want to see if you can do the writing all by yourself, okay? Remember, if Miss Klein goes too fast, you can pause it while you finish writing, and then you can push play again so that you're all caught up. Okay, do you have your paper numbered 1 through 10? Awesome. Now, your first word next to the number 1, write the word rag. You can sound it out, remember, using your touch spelling. Write the word rag. Next to the number 2, write the word ran. Ran. Next to the number 3, write the word bad. Bad. Number 4, write the word bat. Bat. Number 5, write the word lap. Lap. Number 6, write tap. Tap. Number 7, write sat. Sat. Number 8, write the word ham. Ham. Number 9, write mad. Mad. And number 10, write bag. Bag. Remember, if Ms. Klein went too fast, you can go back and rewind to listen to my words again to make sure you got them all right. Then what I want you to do is I want you to take a picture of all 10 of your mastery check words and send it to your teacher. Send it to Ms. Klein or Mrs. Volp so that we can check to see how smart you are and if you got all of those words spelled correctly. And if you did, it means Sonday is working. And we are so, so proud of you for following along with us every day to become better readers and writers. Nice work, kindergartners. See you next time.